certified graphic and web designer with Vivekananda College of Skill Development. Let's explore how this diploma can change your future. Stunning logos to user-friendly websites, graphic and web designers are the creative minds shaping with what you see online and offline. This course opens the door to endless creative possibilities. Course name Diploma in Graphic and Web Design, duration 12 months, eligibility 10th pass and above, mode classroom plus lab based. Certification industry oriented and recognized. This diploma is specially crafted for creative minds who want professional level skills and real world project experience. Whether it's digital ads, websites or brand identity, you will learn to master it all. After this course, you can work as graphic designer, web designer, UI UX developer, freelance creative artist, or even start your own digital studio. We don't just teach, we empower to create, innovate and succeed. Your design journey starts here. Now in the Diploma in Graphic and Web Design at Vivekananda College of Skill Development.